Hey everybody, Chef Stu back again, cooking at home with my lovely assistant, Claire Bear. This is a fried rice recipe. And the great thing about fried rice is it makes use of your day-old leftover rice. What else do you do with your day-old leftover rice, right? So the great thing with fried rice is you can do whatever you want. I'm doing kind of a mixture of vegetables and stuff, but honestly, it's one of the greatest fridge clean-out recipes you can ever do. We have about a tablespoon of vegetable oil and a little bit of sesame oil as well. Just a couple of drops of sesame oil. Now, we're gonna start with everything except the rice first, okay? Everything except the rice first. So that's all these. Can you use your spatula and push those in there? Push it all in there. So we got carrots. We got celery, we got onions, don't worry about that. And we also have some chicken. We wanna saute this on high heat for no more than about 2 minutes for this stage. Okay, so Claire, after about 2.5 minutes, we're done this stage. And we're just gonna put it in a bowl off to the side. The next thing is, we put this back on, we wipe it out, and we fry the rice. We're gonna throw a little bit more oil, about 1.5 tablespoons of oil into there, and then we're gonna do our rice. So we've got cold rice straight from the fridge from the day before, and you can push that in there. There we go. And we wanna hear that nice sizzle on there. You wanna leave it without disturbing it now for about 2 minutes. All right, Claire, 2 minutes has passed, so we're gonna come in. We got a little bit of crispiness, see on the bottom? That's all of our meat and our veggies. Got it? Now we've got about a 1/4 cup of frozen green peas. We've got about 1/2 teaspoon of Chinese 5-spice. If you don't have 5-spice, no problem. I just love the flavor of 5-spice. And then we've got about 1.5 tablespoons of soy. Look at that. Good enough to eat? Is it good enough to eat? Yeah? Okay, Claire, here you go. Wanna pull it in there? Plate it all up. All right. And over here.